My name is Mamer, family Yonarwa. My family came from Turkish to Syria 100 years, about 100 years before, yeah. Part of the family live in Turkish. My grandfather came from Turkish to Syria. First, thank you for everything. I think this is not my dream only. This is my grandfather dream and my father dream, and me also to come back to Abkhazia, the homeland. This is fair. Second, I think from first time I see Abkhazia, it's a beautiful country. It's the people there like family. They work together, they live together. They have something to do all these years with war and a lot of things. When you came to Abkhazia, you see everybody like family. This is what we need. This is I think this is I'm talking about myself. This is what I'm searching for. All together, we work all together. We want to do something. And for my family, I said they must come back to their motherland, because here I think this is our blood at the end.
And they need us.
They need us. We need them. Yeah.
The land needs us to come back again here, and we make something to the future, and we rise up the culture here, and everything is very best in the world. For this is our dreams.
Yes. I work in sound engineering field from 20 years. I work in theater, drama series and film, music recording, live concert, also film, mixaging for drama series, mixaging for film, also music recording and mixaging. I make stage in France, in Paris and Marseille and Pavilion for 2 years for sound engineering and live concerts.